सभी स्टार कास्ट को बुलाना चाहूंगा स्टेज पर. इट्स अ लार्ज स्टार कास्ट और थोड़ी सी तालियों के साथ उनकी एंट्री दे देना. द फर्स्ट जेंटलमैन, लव हिज वॉइस, इनकी दाढ़ी, इनका स्टैचर, one of the most impressive individuals you'll ever get to meet. I'd like to call on stage Mr. Kabir Bedi. Since we are going with the actors of the film, a man equally as tall, Mr. Nawab Shah. इनके लिए भी तालियां हो जाए. And now a gentleman who I've known for a very long period of time. He's got the best sense of humor that I've ever seen. Baman sir, please do come on stage. And perhaps the one person who's, well, sort of had a monopoly over comedy for 10,000 years. The biggest fan, Johnny sir, please do come on stage. और अब एक ऐसे जनाब जिनके हर बार जब मैं गाल देखता हूं तो ऐसे बड़ा खींचने का मन करता है मेरे को. वरुण, प्लीज डू कम ऑन स्टेज. सीरियस लग रहे हो सर आप? ऑल ओके? ओके. Before I call the lady, I would like to also call on stage a gentleman who I'm very shocked to see in a suit today, Pritam Da. And then I would like to call this gorgeous lady. She's very, very tall. Kriti, do come on stage. A big round of applause for her as well. And the gentleman is looking smashing in a white suit. I like calling him gentleman. I pretty much seen him grow up in front of me. Superstar Varun Dhawan, come on stage. And a lady who, well, she just looks more beautiful with every passing year. I'm a big fan of just her laughter, her acting, incomparable. Ladies and gentlemen, Kajol.
Anyway, this man is very special to all of us on the stage. The producer of this film, one of the best actors we have in our country, the living legend, the king of hearts, the king of kings, Mr. Shah Rukh Khan!
Thank you, Saral. Thank you very much for calling us on stage. Thank you, everyone, for waiting so patiently. Thank you, everyone who's here. This has been a long stint. We've been working for about 150, 160 days, and we're still working. But this is one of the best evenings, not only for all the actors and everyone involved in it, but there's so many people involved in making a big film. I think it's a big, big moment for us, very nerve-wracking, and I hope you enjoy what you see. And the reason you will enjoy is only one, because this film is made by the one and only. Please welcome on stage Mr. Rohit Shetty. On behalf of everyone, first of all, I'd like to thank Rohit Shetty Productions for making this film possible, Red Chillies for coming along, and everyone who's involved with this film. Rohit and myself, we are very, we are just working kind of people, so this is awkward for us. We are very nervous, each one of us on stage and off stage, to present to you the first time, because after today, this film won't belong to us. So I hope you like it and keep it with love. So thank you very much, everyone. Thank you, Rohit, for making this. Thank you.
Baman sir, we'll start with you. There's a frown on your face. Everything okay, sir? I haven't seen you for a long time. You're back with Shah Rukh, sir. And this time you're not punching him, or, it's just a very cordial relationship. But there's a lot of punching that is going on in the film also, lots of fighting. It's beautiful, it's huge, I love it. So, just a couple of words on your experience.
So your question was, why am I not punching Shah Rukh?
No, I said this time you're not punching Shah Rukh, but...
मेरे दिन भर गए, मैं पागल हो गया. No, I think that Shah Rukh just one day met me at a function and he held me by the neck and gave me a kiss on the cheek and said, "You're doing the next film." So there are no arguments when that happens. Also, he said that, I'll become lonely now that we both go to the 50 club. So ये सब बाकी सब, they're all youngsters, so we need company. So Shah Rukh and I love you, my friend. You're the greatest. You are the greatest. Thank you so much for having me in your film. Thank you.
Humble as ever, Baman sir. Right. Right next to him. Varun, my friend, this is fantastic. I'm so happy to see you being catapulted into this superstardom big league. Because when you're doing a film with Shah Rukh sir, it is like that. Are you nervous with the release?
Not at all.
Huh?
No, I'm just...
At least behave a little bit nervous. It's a really big deal.
No, it's just been a beautiful experience, and I think, of course, for any actor, it's a dream, to share screen space with Shah Rukh sir, Kajol ma'am, and Rohit sir's film. So, in just a line, I think I'm just living my dream. I've just lived it throughout.
That's fake humility.
हाँ, अभी थोड़ी असली बात हो जाए. हाँ, क्या
असली
बोलना था?
बात तो ये है कि पीछे बोल रहा था I am तो good in the film. मुझे आपका पता नहीं है, but I am तो cute in the film. तो सामने से it's all like, oh, I'm so happy to be here. They are such great people. And, we are so cool. And I am just so small and humble. And then पीछे तो I am तो cool, Baba. That started. That's happening.
So Varun, how are you in the film? Tell us.
I think I'm cute. I think I'm cute in the film.
चलो granted 10 on 10 मिल गया. जॉनी सर आपकी बेटी की एक्टिंग करती है सर, कमाल है. जस्ट कंप्लीट पैच ऑन यू. आई लव यू, आई लव्ड योर डॉटर एज वेल आल्सो. सर बताइए ये पूरा कास्ट ऐसा लग रहा है वन बिग हैप्पी फैमिली. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है मेरे को कि मैं सिर्फ एक रात के लिए आपकी इस फैमिली का एक हिस्सा बनाऊं, बट कैसे रहा पूरा एक्सपीरियंस सर?
बहुत बढ़िया. मैं यही कहूँगा कि मेरी कुछ अच्छी फिल्मों में से एक बेहतरीन फिल्म ये है दिलवाले, जिसमें बेहतरीन मेरा रोल है. जो ट्रेलर में है ये कुछ भी नहीं है. आगे जो आएंगे मेरे ख्याल मेरे कुछ सीन्स के बारे में मुझसे अच्छा काजोल कह सकती है.
एक्चुअली जॉनी भाई के साथ काम करने में इतना मजा आया हमको. वी ऑल फॉलन डाउन लाफिंग लिटरली. आई मीन जो कॉमेडी वो ऑन स्क्रीन करते हैं, ऑफ स्क्रीन उससे कई ज्यादा करते हैं. और शूटिंग करते वक्त भी हमने वी हैव एक्चुअली अगर आप आउटटेक्स देखेंगे, so there are a lot of outtakes, let me put it that way.
बट वो रोलिंग क्रेडिट्स में आएगा ना. विल आस्क रोहित सर अबाउट दैट.
Yeah.
अगर आएगा कि नहीं. प्रीतम सर, so good to see you. I have to share the story and then I'm going to ask you the question. So Preetham sir, I've never seen in a suit. He said 4 बार मैंने लाइफ में सूट पहना है और रास्ते में वो सूट खरीद के आए थे. सर दिस इज अ लाई. हाउ कैन अ सूट फिट यू सो परफेक्टली? आज तक मेरे को ये शर्ट और पैंट फिट नहीं आई है परफेक्टली सर.
नहीं, एक्चुअली मैं यूज्ड टू नहीं सूट पहनना.
अच्छा.
बट
अंडर प्रेशर बिकॉज ऑफ शाहरुख सर.
लेकिन he's blow dried his hair and come today.
नहीं, ब्लो ड्राई नहीं,
Just watch.
Natural. It's natural.
Sir, but you're back to giving all the super hit numbers that you want. कई बार अपने आप की सक्सेस से आप बोर हो जाते हो क्या? Do you feel under pressure because of your own success?
No, इस टाइम तो it's a extremely special because the first time I'm actually working in a film with him in it, and I've been always wanting, and whenever I've met SRK, I've told him that sir, I want to be at least scoring before I get away, like score one.
Get away? Where are you going, sir?
Whenever.
No, please.
Himalayas. जट्टी तो आ गई ऑलरेडी.
So this is very special for me because this is the first time I'm doing a movie with. I did Billu Baba, but you are just one.
Billu sir, the barber was cut.
हाँ, but Billu में Shah sir only had a special appearance, but here and doing a romantic song for both of them is, I think, is a blessing for any music director because I'm happy and I think I'm blessed that I've got to do 2 romantic songs, which is.
चलो one French plat now.
And beyond a doubt, you would have done complete justice to it. This lady in the middle, my God, how beautiful are you looking there? Can you please tell us a beauty regime, Kriti? I really want to know. कितनी बार आप दिन में फेस वॉश करते हैं दिन में? कितनी बार आप ये? How can you look so beautiful on
Are
screen?
you seriously going to ask me all these questions here?
No, because the rest of the film question they'll ask. No,
Film के बारे में what is
वो
this?
तो ये पूछेंगे. I'm here to just to do the comic relief.
I'll tell you her exercise regime.
Asha, please, we would
Her
like-
exercise regime is to squat with everybody around because she's so tall कि हम सबको मतलब बहुत लंबी हील्स पहननी पड़ती है उसके
इन्होंने
साथ.
कोई heel नहीं पहनी है, देखा.
हाँ,
There are
basically we
Kriti
made
shoots
sure
for
that
everyone,
wherever she is in
basically.
the shot she's squatting. तो ये exercise regime है. That's why she's so fit and thin in the film.
I'm very scared to ask you anything.
Why do you think I'll tell the truth?
No. Because I'm enjoying this so much also. So now this.
Don't ask me a question.
No, I will.
I think
Because
it's better.
listen, this pairing is legendary, and it's very rare that we say that A to people who are still
Legendary.
acting. I see, I'm
बस,
suddenly made
खत्म
sound
हो
very
गई.
old.
खत्म हो गई.
नहीं, but सुनो, ये बहुत ही amazing. So what is it about you and Shahrukh that the button just comes on? I mean, when you're on front of the screen, how does it just suddenly come on?
Buttons come off, man.
I put myself into that, didn't I, sir? So does the switch just come on? Let's put it that way.
I honestly think it's also because we don't take ourselves that seriously as you seem to do. I really think that. I think that it's just that we just have fun and we work well together. We're good friends, and I think that's what comes across. Honestly, what do you have to say?
Yes, we are good friends.
We're just good friends.
Kabir sir, can we just hear your voice?
Of course you can.
There we go.
For me, it's just such a privilege being in a Rohit Shetty film that reunites Shah Rukh and Kajol with such a fabulous gathering of actors and cast and talent. And I also want to acknowledge Vinod Khanna's presence in this film because Vinod and I we are the root problem of this film. We are the root problem. So Vinod couldn't be here today, but I'm very grateful to be paired against him after a long time. And we began our career many years ago with a film called Kache Dhage. And we've been acting against each other since then. But what a joy to be in this film. What a great team. And I hope you all absolutely enjoy it in the screens as much as I enjoyed shooting it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. What a presence you have. Right. Sir, आप silent मत रहिए नवाब जी. Your muscles have just remained as the same as the last 15 years.
Yes, kind of showed a lot of muscles. I had a great time in Bulgaria. There was a lot of action sequence. I was lucky to do a lot of action there.
Yeah.
Chasing Khan Saab all over Sofia. So that was a great schedule. Yeah.
Chasing
Sofia is a place in Bulgaria. Otherwise you will कल आ जाएगा एक और heroine है Sofia.
Khans are fighting for Sofia.
So I had a great time. Did a lot of action, and I was lucky enough to be even in the other part of the film, which is 15 years later. So I had that little change in that. So I had a great time. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you.
Sir,
Thank you.
I'll come to you, sir. It pains me, sir, sometimes to see your films. Look at the cars, sir. What are you doing to all the cars?
Leave that to them. The first question is कि इतनी गाड़ियाँ क्यों उड़ाते हो?
Okay, so I'll leave the cars part. But listen, I've seen you got this really nice car. I've seen your car. I've trailed you one day just to see if it was you. Do you respect your own cars as much?
Yes, obviously.
Yes.
I do. And this is also respect. This is love.
I don't want to know your definition of love
It's a
with
passionate love. You always
Passionate
destroy
love.
the things you love.
is only. But you know, otherwise, you also have this fantastic tag. When actors have their tags of how many millions of crores they've made, you come with that tag also. The thousands of crores that your films have made also. So how do you
How
handle
many
that?
thousands of crores has he blown up? How about that?
But you're always very calm and cool, like, हाँ ठीक है यार, बन गया तो बन गया, and it's made money. But so somewhere along the line, do you ever celebrate the success? Is there like, yes, I made the 500 crores? Do you ever feel like that?
Not really. Actually, they always tell me कि आप ऐसे क्यों? आपको कोई फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है. फिल्म बन गई या फिल्म इतनी हिट हो गई या whatever जो पहले भी हुई है. It's just that I love working and I just thank God and the audience that everything what I'm doing is working. That's
And the hair is not going to come back.
I'm loving it. I'm continuing my father's legacy, so I'm happy with it.
And now, for the young white in shining, or rather knight in white shining armor, Varun, you have rocked it, and now this is it. It's Shah Rukh sir and you coming in there. It's almost like your opening. It's like the opening act.
You know, it's this is a really crazy moment, I think, for me. Maybe you can call it destiny, because before I became an actor in films, I was an AD on My Name is Khan, which was the last film that Shah Rukh sir and Kajol ma'am did before this. And I would go knock on their door and give them their call times.
And he actually gave call time this morning as well.
No. Today also I tried.
He call time दिया उसने सुबह 5:30.
In fact, even I have done that.
For both of them?
For me.
For her.
हाँ, प्यार तो होना ही था. Raju Chacha.
Did she shout at you?
Never.
She shouted at
I
me
was a
once.
good AD. I'm a good.
He was an awesome AD.
I was a bad AD,
Always.
but I hope I'm a good actor. So this is really special. Before I started, I always said that Rohit Shetty is one of my favorite directors. I want to work with him one day. So 3 years into my career, I'm getting to live this dream, and I can't say anything else that God is great. Rohit sir, you're great. Kajol ma'am, you're great. And Shah Rukh sir, thank you. Thank you. You're great.
And Varun, you're great as well. You're making so much.
The other Varun has said that he's cute. I want to hear what this Varun has to say for himself now. What do you think you're like in the film?
And don't be modest now. Come on.
No, I'm not going to
No
be more. I
modest.
think.
Let me say it, he's the most conscientious, hard-working, dedicated actor I've worked in years, and he's really, really brilliant. Genuinely, he'll be the standout point of this film, inshallah, when the film releases.
Shah Rukh said it's an honor and a privilege. There was only one name that was left in my little book of having done a show with for a while. So thank you so much for this opportunity. And I have to say, your stardom grows as much as the scale and everything. It's always so brilliant. So when you see your films, when you see the trailer, can you ever be objective about it sometimes? Are you able to, do you smile inside as well? At that point of time, do you feel just happy that it's all over and it's all looking lovely and big?
Not really, you can't. Actually, it's a feeling of emptiness. जब film बन जाती है, सब इतने अच्छे लोग, सबने इतनी मेहनत की. So actually today it's kind of sad when you present your film outside to the world, because उसके बाद मैं हमेशा कहता हूँ कि film हमारी नहीं रहती, and so भी हमारी नहीं रही है. तो हम चाहेंगे कि जब ये बाहर आ गई है तो जितने भी लोग उसको देखें उतना ही प्यार करें जितना प्यार से हमने उसको बनाई है. सो it's I always say it's like giving away a daughter. So it's that kind of a day. I cannot sit down and watch it and get happy and कि हमने कुछ कमाल कर दिया. कमाल हम नहीं करते, कमाल वो करते हैं जिनको फिल्म अच्छी लगती है देखने के बाद. So hopefully we worked hard and we'll make sure it goes through once again and people like it, because in a certain sense Rohit and me have worked together, but most of the people here who are friends and colleagues for years, I feel a little responsible that I should not let them down in this film. Not because I'm the star of the film or something, but because somewhere I've got the team together. So I wish that I make sure that everybody is happy, especially Pritam Da. He's done 2 romantic songs for Shah Rukh and Kajol. Iski to what like.
And he wore a suit.
Yeah, and suit. And just a second, because the way we came, हम थोड़ा गुम गए थे, तो हमारे जो writers हैं film के, साजिद और फराद यहाँ पे हैं, so I'd like to call them on stage.
Yes.
So they can please come.
And keep tweeting those photographs of your son. We love them.
No, I've been told not to tweet them anymore, यार.
No, I think they're fantastic.
वो साला मुझसे ज़्यादा famous होता जा रहा है.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, I open it out to the entire press here. We can start with as soon as I see a hand up.
Just say your name and the question you want to
Yes,
ask
please.
the actor or the director.
डी से डॉन भी हुए, डी से देवदास भी हुए, अभी डी से दिलवाले भी आ चुकी है. आपके हिसाब से, आपको लोग दिलवाला कहते हैं, आपके हिसाब से कौन होता है दिलवाला आपके हिसाब से?
हमारी फिल्म का भी वही मीनिंग है एक्चुअली. यू नो, ones who can forgive, forget and move on, and होल्ड नहीं करते, एरोगेंस नहीं रखते, ईगो नहीं. तो गलत हो गया यार, मैं तो सब कुछ हुई है. But people who have large hearts are the people who can forgive, forget and move on and love each other. I think that's as simple as that.
My question is, how many references to Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge are there in this film?
ये reference जो है, इससे बड़ा reference और क्या हो सकता है?
Because Chennai Express, your last collaboration with Mr. Rohit Shetty, उसमें भी there was a sequence where you were, you know, bringing those goons on board the train, and आपने कहा कि ये मैं पहले कर चुका हूँ, and you know, similar kind of scenes or dialogues in this film as well for the fans who would want to kind of see.
Actually, you know, it's very first. Kajol, me feel very honored. Director of Rohit's caliber, one of his favorite films is Dilwale, and to say it again that one of the favoriteest directors that Aditya Chopra has, who's made Dilwale, is Rohit Shetty. So it's a strange kind of a mutual admiration without them actually meeting each other or talking about each other. तो वो दोनों इतनी, मैं जब भी अलग-अलग वक्त पे दोनों को मिलता हूँ, तो एक दूसरे की इतनी तारीफ करते हैं, just for the work each has done. I think that respectability and respect for work. So somewhere down the line, I think just for the fun element, we had it in Chennai. और इसमें तो हम ही हैं यार, अब इससे ज़्यादा मैं क्या बोलूँ, कौन सा रेफरेंस हो सकता है?
And then we took it seriously in Dilwale.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
तो मैं आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन हूँ सर. मतलब मैं आपको बता नहीं सकता.
मगर बताएगा जरूर ना फिर भी.
सर बस एक बार आपको हक करना चाहता था.
अच्छा, वो हम दूसरे थिएटर में कर लेंगे. दूसरे थिएटर में हक हो जाएगा.
सर
मेरी पूरी किस्मत लड़ गई, हक करते हैं मेरे को सिर्फ.
Sir, I'm also trying in film industry, so just give me a.
Wow, an open audition call.
Sir, just give me a clue because.
Sweet. Okay, so we move on to the next.
Doing what you're doing here. God bless.
Hello, sir. Your trailer was amazing. I just loved it. My question is to Varun and Kriti. There is a legendary couple in your film. तो आपको डर नहीं लगा कि कहीं आपका पैर ओवरशैडो ना हो जाए या फिर sort of something like that? Varun will answer this first.
No, not at all actually, you know, because first of all, I mean, from what you gathered, I'm playing his younger brother in the film. And I think when you play someone's brother, these things like insecurity, jealousy and all, it can't come to your mind. I have an older brother in my real life as well, so I try to get into the skin of my character, so I don't feel any of this. I do love him a lot, I do love her a lot, and do love her a lot as well. So this film is not only just like one commercial film coming, it's an emotional film. So everything that we all do together, we all stand by each other, and I just hope, like a younger brother, I can support him till the end in this film. And obviously Rohit sir is there to look after what happens with the track, and he'll do the best in that. And I too, like Chucha, feel that I'm good in the film as well. So
I think in this film, Rohit sir has kind of made sure that everyone has a separate track and everyone is, you know, in their own space and they stand out. But also, as you see, there are two love stories going on. And शाहरुख काजोल से कोई कंपेयर कर ही नहीं सकते, तो हम सपने में भी नहीं सोच रहे थे कि हम वहाँ तक पहुँचेंगे या कुछ. I hope that we were able to create half the magic that they both do, and we'll be happy with that.
बट हम लोग ने हमारी लव स्टोरी में एक बहुत यूनिक चीज़ है. आप खड़ी हो जाओ, दुनिया को दिखा देते हैं आज हमारा.
मैंने आज फ्लैट्स क्यों पहने ये दिखाते हैं हम. आओ.
मैंने हील्स पहने हैं, इन्होंने फ्लैट्स पहने हैं, और ये काफी लंबी लड़की. नो, आई एम ट्राइंग टू कट माय हाइट सो पीपल फील. तो एक्चुअली हम लोग ये हाइट पे होते थे. यू स्टैंड स्ट्रेट, डोंट वरी. एंड आई थिंक फॉर ऑल द बॉयज आउट देयर हु लव टॉलर गर्ल्स देन देम, इट इज पॉसिबल. प्लीज गो आउट देयर एंड ट्राई.
And we've actually used this. Rohit sir has used this fact, my height factor, in the film also, which is in good humor. But ये actually इसको लगता है कि बहुत छोटा, इतना छोटा नहीं है ये.
नहीं हूँ मैं, ऐसे ही बोलता हूँ.
And you made lots of fun of her as well.
I was fine with everyone standing on a path now.
You did it, okay? Don't lie.
Shahrukh, with every film you raise the bar, and recently Varun said that this film will make Indians proud at the global level. What do you have to say on that?
Actually, as a part of Red Chillies, I mean, I'll just talk about Red Chillies and Rohit Shetty Productions. Raising of the bar is by the creative team. Rohit's team, actually, you know, who's always behind the scene, and Red Chillies team, who are helping to take the vision a little further than what we have. And inshallah, I don't know, film jab aayegi, humne koshish bahut ki it has elements of what an international quality film should look like, with a family feel, the heart of Indians. It's actually a family happy comic film coming on the right time. But beyond that, everything else in terms of the technology and the technique of the film, sound, everything should be international. I think that credit goes to Rohit. So हमने कोशिश की है, और inshallah it'll all step up from the last film.
Thank you.
शाहरुख की जब भी जोड़ी आती है काफ़ी चर्चाएं होती है, और जो गाना है रोमांटिक गाना की हमेशा चर्चा रहती है. तो आपकी क्या मेमोरीज जोड़ी है, और आपके लिए ये जोड़ी क्या मायने रखती है?
Memories, I hate anecdotes honestly. तो बताने के चक्कर में जाऊँ तो I think it's boring for me to hear. So I'll just let's talk about what we did in this film. इस picture के बारे में बता दूँ. We shot in Iceland for the song, and it's actually we shot the song in 7 days. We start to finish, we finished the song in 7 days. Or we have worked like dogs in cold weather, nearly died, turned blue. वो जो blue दिलवाले का था वो हमारा actually skin का रंग हो गया था by the end of the shot. But we had a great time, and गाना बहुत अच्छा था. और we loved the song so much also. So I think जब आप देखोगे screen पे, I think you have seen snippets of it in the trailer. But I think it's just looking so magical and so amazing that I think the magic that you keep talking about as a pairing also comes from that fact, honestly.
मैम, मेरा आपसे सवाल है कि आप इतने दिनों बाद आप बड़े स्क्रीन पर वापस आ रही हैं, और आप अपने फैमिली कमिटमेंट्स के ज़रिए के चलते आप फिल्मों से दूर रहीं. तो अभी आप वापस शाहरुख सर के साथ आप आ रही हैं फिल्म में. तो मैं जानना चाहता हूँ कि फिल्म करने के दौरान आप
अजय वाज बेबीसिटिंग.
या फैमिली कमिटमेंट होती है, राइट? तो इसके चलते आपको कितनी तकलीफें झेलनी पड़ी होती है ना, काफ़ी मैनेज करना पड़ता है टाइम.
आई थिंक टाइम मैनेज करना पड़ता है, वुडंट से तकलीफें झेलनी पड़ती हैं. आई डोंट कंसिडर दैट द राइट कॉन्टेक्स्ट रियली. लेकिन आई थिंक एवरी वुमन हु वर्क्स हु हैज़ किड्स always feels that guilt. आपको हमेशा ये फीलिंग लगती है कि you know, oh God, I'm not spending enough time with my kids, और मेरे बच्चे घर पे क्या कर रहे होंगे, मैं इतने दिन छोड़ के गई हूँ उनको. तो ये हमेशा एक गिल्टी फीलिंग होती है हर माँ में, एंड इट्स समथिंग दैट वी हैव टू बैटल डेली. हर रोज़ इस वक्त भी मेरे बच्चे घर पे हैं, एंड आई स्टिल फील दैट नो, यू नो, आई शुड बी देयर, मुझे होना चाहिए वहाँ पे. You know, I need to give them their dinner, lunch, whatever. And so that's something that you have to face, you have to confront every day. And I have had a great time working for the film. जैसे मैंने कहा, Ajay has very sweetly and nicely supported me. So all the days, जितने दिन मैं बुल्गारिया में थी, और जितने दिन मैं आइसलैंड में थी और he was very sweet and he stayed at home and took care of my kids. So I am very happy and I'm very lucky that I have a husband like him.
पहले जब काजोल घर में थी तो लल्ला लल्ला लोरी दूध की कटोरी सुनते थे, अब अजय उनको सुनाता है आजा माजी सटक ली. So थोड़ी सी लोरियां बदल गई, अदरवाइज से.
So, ma'am, in an interview, you had said that Nisa always wanted you to do a Rohit Shetty film.
Yeah.
And you said that Golmaal is something that I can't be a part of. Now that you are a part of a Rohit Shetty film, what was the first reaction of Nisa?
Nisa was very happy. In fact, she convinced me. She was like, Mom, you have to do this film. And I was like, baby, I'm going to be out of town. Or, I'm going to go for this outdoor and I'm not going to be with you. I'm not going to spend time with you. And she was like, Mom, you have to do this film. I want you to do this. I want you to do a film where you're not crying. I'm tired of you doing this film. हर पिक्चर में जहाँ पे मैं देखने जाती हूँ तो आप रोना शुरू कर देते हो. एक कोई हंसी खुशी की पिक्चर करो that I can watch आराम से without any tension. So I was like, okay, fine, I'll do it. So really that's how I got convinced, honestly. And of course, first and foremost, the fact that, the script was really awesome. Rohit and Shah Rukh, of course, both of them together. So I have had a great time working.
हाय, सबसे पहले आप सभी को हैप्पी दिवाली. और आज धनतेरस है, तो ये कहेंगे कि क्या इस सभी के लिए गिफ्ट है आज का? हेलो,
गिफ्ट ऑफ धनतेरस.
धनतेरस, या
God willing, it will be a golden jubilee. और ये गिफ्ट हमको भी मिलेगा धनतेरस के लिए.
You worked with Shah Rukh Khan in a lot many films. You have had a great memorable association with him. You started with Bazigar. कुछ बताइए सर, कुछ पास्ट में जाके कैसा रहा आपका एसोसिएशन? How much has Shah Rukh Khan changed? कुछ
नहीं, वो वाकई मैं तो पहले इस बात की खुशी थी मेरे लिए कि मैं काजोल और शाहरुख भाई के साथ कर रहा था सालों बाद. बाजीगर, कोयला, करण अर्जुन, बहुत सारी पिक्चरें, 7-8 पिक्चरें की हमने. लेकिन इस पिक्चर में काम करते हुए मैं बहुत नर्वस था पहले. तो बोले यार, क्योंकि शाहरुख भाई बिल्कुल मैजिक लग रहे थे. मैंने इससे पहले कहा भी कि मैं बहुत साल पहले एक बाजीगर के साथ काम किया, फिर कोयला और करण अर्जुन में कारीगर के साथ काम किया, अभी मैं एक जादूगर के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. तो वाकई बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत एंजॉय किया हमने, बहुत मजा आया.
और मैं जॉनी भाई के बारे में बता दूं, आई थिंक इट्स बिन सिंस बाजीगर फॉर दैट मैटर, आई हैव सच इमेंस रिस्पेक्ट फॉर हिम. I honestly do, because I don't think that anybody remains funny for so long so well. Really, I really have so much respect for you. Really, honestly.
You're known to be a marketing guru. With every new movie, you have come up with new promotion strategy and new tie-ups. Can you tell us something about the promotion? What new tie-ups can we see?
ये थोड़ा मिसनोमर है यार. मुझे मार्केटिंग का इतना मालूम नहीं. हमारी टीम है, मनीष, करुणा और रेड चिलीज की, तो वही लोग करते हैं जो करते हैं. मैं जैसे फिल्म का श्रेय मैं सारा का सारा ले जाता हूँ जब वो हिट हो जाती है, वैसे मार्केटिंग का भी मैं ले जाता हूँ. सो देयर इज नथिंग दैट वी डू. हमारी जो फिल्म की बिलीफ होती है, जो फीलिंग होती है, दैट्स व्हाट वी पुट फोर्थ टू द ऑडियंस. दिस, लाइक आई सेड, फैमिली फिल्म है, एक हैप्पी फैमिली फिल्म है, खुशगवार फिल्म है. सो वी विल जस्ट टेल पीपल टू इन्फॉर्म एवरीवन कि इसमें जो है खुशी होगी और एक ड्रामा है इस फिल्म के अंदर, एक इश्यूज बिटवीन a family and a lot of comedy, as you would have noticed. So all that is going to be is what we just go and tell people. मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ, मार्केटिंग का मतलब यह है कि लोगों को हम इन्फॉर्म कर दें कि हमारी फिल्म किस बारे में है, क्योंकि इतना महंगा टिकट लेकर आ रहे हैं, उन्हें पहले मालूम होना चाहिए. Beyond that, there is nothing special. Tonight is special कि आप सब लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं, फैंस आए हुए हैं फिल्म देखने के लिए. एंड जब भी हम कोई बड़ा इवेंट करते हैं जैसे ये है, या जब भी करेंगे इंशाल्लाह, the idea is we are celebrating the release of a film. Actually, we're doing nothing more special than that. And if any credit has to go, then it has to go to the marketing team, which puts the law up. मुझे आइडिया बोलते हैं, हम कहते हैं हम पहुंच जाएंगे, हम अपना ब्लैक सूट पहन के पहुंच जाते हैं. मेरे को मार्केटिंग नहीं पता, तुम टिकट प्राइसेस पूछने लग गई हो. मैं तो बहुत साल हो गए थिएटर में पिक्चर देखे हुए मुझको, और मैं जब भी आता हूँ उसे टिकट का पैसा ही नहीं लेते वो लोग. So I don't know. I don't think so. I think first time हमने step लिया है कि हम film को distribute खुद कर रहे हैं Red Chillies के through. So let's see how it goes, and we'd not like to do it. I mean, we'd like to keep it as simple as possible.
इसके अलावा भी कोई आप लोगों ने टाइटल सोचा था? How do you come up with this title?
टाइटल पूरी टीम सोचती है कि इस फिल्म का टाइटल क्या होना चाहिए, एंड वी थॉट दिलवाले इज एन एप्ट टाइटल फॉर दिस फिल्म बिकॉज इट्स जस्ट नॉट अ कॉमेडी फिल्म. ऑब्वियसली शाहरुख काजल है तो इसमें रोमांस भी है, एंड कहानी ऐसी है जब आप फिल्म देखेंगे तो यू रियलाइज कि दिलवाले से ऐप्ट टाइटल हो नहीं सकता था इस फिल्म का.
As per the trailer का डायलॉग, सबसे शरीफ और सबसे बदमाश कौन था पूरे सेट ड्यूरिंग द शूटिंग एम सीन?
यहाँ पे जिसने ब्लैक नहीं पहना है वो
क्या थे?
सबसे बदमाश सबसे शरीफ. वो तो क्यूट है ना. ये पहला मतलब 11 फिल्म हो गई इतने साल से काम कर रहा हूँ, पहली बार कोई एक्टर ने आके मुझे ये पूछा है, मैं वरुण शर्मा की बात कर रहा हूँ कि मैं अच्छा हूँ या बुरा हूँ या मेरा कैरेक्टर कैसा है, या सर बाकी सब ठीक है, मैं क्यूट लग रहा हूँ कि नहीं. तो मेरे पास इसका जवाब आज तक नहीं है. मैं एक्टर को कैसे बोलूँ कि तू क्यूट लग रहा है कि नहीं फिल्म में.
So Varun and Shahrukh, since it's a Rohit Shetty film, was the most unusual stunt that you guys got to try? And Rohit Shetty, can they actually fly cars by themselves?
All the cars what you see, उसमें stuntman है actually. It's like it's quite sad actually that our hard work doesn't get acknowledged. अभी इसकी एक making बना रहे हैं हम लोग, so that when you see it, कि it's very easy to say अरे गाड़ी उड़ रही. All the cars when you see, उसके अंदर मेरा stuntman बैठा हुआ है. And when the shot happens, our heart is in our mouth, and we pray कि कुछ हो नहीं, कुछ गड़बड़ नहीं हो. It's very easy to make fun कि गाड़ी उड़ रही है. It's for entertainment. What we do, we risk our lives for entertainment. Very few people do that.
And अभी काजोल के साथ भी आप काम कर रहे हैं, तो can we see अजय, काजोल and Shahrukh together in your next film?
तो बच्चों को कौन संभालेगा?
मुझे घर पे जाना पड़ेगा.
छोटे बच्चे हैं हमारे बीच में, 5 बच्चे हैं हमारे यार.
Shahrukh, last night you dub smashed to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo song, and so did Salman did to Dilwale. Was it impromptu that you all decided to just dedicate a song?
Actually, I think they were all sitting at home and Salman called me and he said, क्या कर रहे तू? I said हमारा भी रैप एक्चुअली हमारी फिल्म रैप हो गई थी रात को, तो हम लोग सब डिनर कर रहे थे ऐसे ही. वी जस्ट बिकॉज रोहित हमको काम कराते रहते हैं, पार्टी नहीं करने देते हैं. सो आखिरी दिन हमको मौका मिलता है जब हम इसको पूरा मिसयूज कर सकते हैं और रोहित को जगा कर रख सकते हैं. और हमारा एक्सक्यूज ये होता है कि सुबह जो है हम ड्राइव करने की हालत में तुम हमको लेकर जाओगे तो तुम्हें हमारे साथ पार्टी पे रहना पड़ेगा. तो दिस इज द बेस्ट एक्सक्यूज विद रोहित बिकॉज डजंट पार्टी एट ऑल. सो सलमान कॉल्ड एंड ही सेड यार तेरा पोस्टर रिलीज हो रहा है, सो आई लाइक टू डू समथिंग फॉर यू एंड काजोल एंड वी लाइक टू डू द सॉन्ग व्हिच प्रीतम दा हैज डन. सो आई सेड वो गाना अभी तो रिलीज ही नहीं हुआ है, अभी डब स्मैश नहीं कर सकते. सो देन ही पुट दैट एंड वी वर ऑल टुगेदर. सो वी जस्ट डांस टू प्रेम रतन धन पायो and it was good fun. I think it was very enjoyable, but it was just impromptu. He just called in the night and I'd missed the call, then he called and then we called back and said चलो हम उनसे पहले करते हैं. So it was a competition, कौन पहले करेगा वो जीत गए 1 मिनट से.
We were actually it was like that because we were having dinner and Shahrukh said we have to do it before these guys do it, and हम लोग upload कर रहे थे और वो
कनेक्शन फास्ट था उनका, इस सॉन्ग का आ गया.
हम लोग जिधर थे हमारा कनेक्शन थोड़ा सा तो उनका 1 मिनट पहले आ गया. But I think ours was better. What do you feel? हाँ?
तेरे हाथ में क्या है? अच्छा ओके सॉरी.
खुद का एक्सप्रेशन नहीं रिकॉर्ड कर रही है ना कि शाहरुख सर कुछ बोले और यू ब्लश पे ये ट्वीट करोगे.
Sir, just now, you know, Kajol ma'am just shared her kids' reaction. What was your kids' reaction that you guys are coming back together after a long time? How excited are they to see you? No, I doubt Abram का reaction.
अब्राम, हमने रोहित ने हमको एक रात को सबको सारी टीम को बुला के, रोहित ऐसा करते हैं पूरी टीम 220 पीपल वी सिट डाउन जब हम रैप करने वाले होते हैं यहाँ की पूरी फिल्म जितनी एडिट हो गई होती तो रोहित ने रात को फिल्म दिखाते हैं. तो उस वक्त अब्राम भी हैदराबाद में था एंड एक दो जगह पे जो रोहित बता रहे थे बहुत सीरियसली और जेन्युइनली कि बहुत मुश्किल होते हैं स्टंट्स, ऑब्वियसली मैंने नहीं किया है, लेकिन उस स्टंट के अंदर एंड में थोड़ी सी चोट मुझको लगती है। और तो वो ही थॉट इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ काजोल, बिकॉज वो भी उस सीन में है, तो वो इसको देख कर कह रहा पापा टूट गया, पापा टूट गया, तो ही वॉज वेरी डिस्टर्ब विद हर। तो उसका मुझे मालूम है, उसको ये जो हमारा मिलन है उसको ठीक नहीं लग रहा है, उसको लग रहा है अगर काजोल के साथ आएगा तो बाप टूट जाएगा, लेकिन पिक्चर अच्छी लगी उसको।
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Kajal, were your kids also on set?
They came for a little while. They came for a day or two, but they didn't stay very long. But in Bulgaria, they were there for about 15-20 days, yes.
और हम लोग इतना एक्चुअली साथ में शूटिंग कर रहे हैं 200 दिन के साथ, 200 दिन से 2-4 बच्चे तो हमने आपस में भी कर लिए हैं।
You just said that doing stunt is really a terrible job. What's
Not a terrible job. It's a difficult
It's a
job.
difficult
It's a lovely
study.
job, but a difficult
yeah,
one.
difficult job. What safety measures do you all take? I mean, it must be
It's a
quite
long
different
process.
nowadays.
It's a long process. मतलब मैं कैसे explain करूँ? It takes a lot of time, training.
Can I just put in a little bit that I mean I'm sure Shah Rukh would agree with me on that we've done a lot of films and safety measures have changed from what they were earlier to what they are today. Are completely different. We are much more safe as people, much safer as stars, and I have to say one of the safest sets that we've been on has been under Rohit's direction.
I'll add to that actually. मैं चेन्नई की शूटिंग कर रहा था, मेरा शोल्डर एक्चुअली ब्रोकन था, I went into a surgery and we shot 12 days. All his fighters, his team, you know, when he talks about the team of action directors that he has and the boys and girls who work on it, they are extremely safe. मुझको एक बार भी, हालांकि मुझे लगता नहीं जितना एक्शन इस फिल्म में मैंने अपनी जिंदगी में नहीं किया है, इसमें कुछ 7, 8, 9 एक्शन सीक्वेंसेस हैं and we all know it.
And whichever set you go on, you hear reports that Shah Rukh has hit his shoulder or hurt his knee or something like that. So he's not managed that on this film at least.
Not at all. And even the cast stunts that Rohit talks about, actually वो सारी extreme safety करने के बावजूद भी I know that how difficult, because कोई भी एक छोटी सी चीज़ भी गलत हो सकती है और होती है और दुनिया भर में होती है, सिर्फ यहीं पे नहीं. But I think his team is the safest team that whatever little experience I have of action, I think it's the safest team. Personally, I've never been hurt a little. मुझे काजल ने ज़्यादा मारा है, रोहित ने कम मारा है. And genuinely, it's one of the most fantastic teams. And his other teams, which he joins in and makes the whole group, I think it's one of the most safe teams to do action. You feel encouraged. कि जब ये 10-20 गाड़ियाँ उड़ रही हैं, ऐसा हम बात नॉर्मली करते हैं उसकी. But when he's doing it, we know very clearly that we are in an international boundary or a different country, and we are as good as anyone else in the world. So I think kudos to him.
I want to just add one thing in this, that this is the first time I'm doing action, so I was a little nervous to do this type of action and stuff, and I was supposed to do a flip off a table, and I was very enthusiastic about it, so I told Rohit, so that मैं कर लूँगा, I'll do it, and he said, no, I won't let you do it, just put the padding, I won't take the shot only, so why are you arguing? So I put the padding, I said मैं कर ही लूँगा, I was being confident, and I did hurt myself.
No, and he's very good. Even in the romantic song, he said put the padding.
हेलो,
कौन मर गया?
सर मैं जिंदा हूँ. सर मैं जिंदा हूँ.
मुबारक सॉरी.
सवाल का जवाब मिल गया, बैठ जा अभी.
नहीं अच्छा, आप हंसाते हो, अच्छा लगता है मुझे.
Thank you, sir.
मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ. एंड आई लाइक टू कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट शाहरुख सर ऑल्सो कि आप उनके साथ हमेशा ऐसी फिल्में में मजा है, कॉमेडी है, अनारकली एंड ऑल दैट, अभी तक याद है सबको. बाजीगर, करण अर्जुन, देन यस बॉस में भी थे, शायद बादशाह में भी थे. तो सर ये आप जिंदगी में हम लोग इतने लड़ते हैं लाइफ से, तो शाहरुख जी थैंक्स, मोहन जी भी हंसाते, ये बहुत मेरा प्लस पॉइंट है. मुझे अच्छा लगता है ऐसी फिल्में जहाँ पे आप हो, और आप रहेंगे तो हंसी मजाक होता है. तो प्लीज टेल मी, आप कैसे क्या करते हैं ऐसे, अगर आप जो रोल करते हैं शाहरुख की फिल्मों में. शाहरुख जी आपको भी मुबारक हो, ये हंसी आप लाते हो फिल्मों में, दैट्स वेरी नाइस. तो हाउ यू डू इट सर जॉनी भाई? यू आर सो, मतलब
मैं एक कैप्सूल खाता हूँ सुबह
जिसका नाम है
डी कॉम्प्लेक्स. नहीं देखिए क्या है, 4 दिन की जिंदगी मैं समझता हूँ, या पिक्चर में हो या पिक्चर के बाहर हो, हंसी खुशी से ज़िंदगी गुजारनी चाहिए। एक अच्छी टीम हो, काम करने का मज़ा और होता है। रोहित शेट्टी हमेशा हम लोगों को खुश रखता है, पैकअप के बाद भी हम लोग खुश रहते हैं, हंसी मजाक में, खेल खेल खेल, वॉलीबॉल वॉलीबॉल, फुटबॉल फुटबॉल, है ना, फिर फुट खाया सो गए।
गोलमाल में भी थे शायद ना?
हाँ गोलमाल में, अरे गोलमाल में बस बड़ा अच्छा लगता है। आपको अच्छा लगता है, हमें भी अच्छा लगता है, तब जाके कुछ पिक्चर में बात निकल आती है। कर चले हम सलाम है मेरे साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले दिलवाले साथियों।
Sir, you know, in the trailer we get to see two looks. Like one is the clean shaven and another is this. And in the past, the writers have said that in this film you will be seen in an angry young man look, just like Amitabh Bachchan in the 80s. And the audiences will whistle to the sequences in which you are doing action. So could you say something about that?
I don't know यार. Actually yeah, the film is based in 2 time zones. मगर linear नहीं है picture. ऐसा नहीं है कि शुरू होती है और आखिर तक एक time span आता है. It has the technique writers ने और रोहित ने जो technique use की, साजिद फरहाद और रोहित ने, कि it keeps coming in going out. So अब रोहित की फिल्म है और रोहित मुझे बहुत सालों से माचो बनाने की कोशिश कर रहा है, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि इस फिल्म के अंदर मेरा कुछ माचो ठीक हो गया है. So there are moments like that and like I said there's a lot of action. But again मैं बार-बार इस बात को बोल रहा हूँ कि एक बड़ी ही खूबसूरत फैमिली टाइप एंटरटेनर है और उसके बीच में हर चीज़ है. I mean मैं ऐसा नहीं कि किसी को पॉइंट करूँगा. बहुत सारा सेक्सीनेस है जैसे बॉमन साहब हैं, कॉमेडी है, there is a lot of actually there's a lot of drama and emotion in the film and of course everything else that a person would like to see in 2.5 hours of entertainment. So उसके अंदर एक्शन भी है और बहुत बड़ी बात बोल दी. आई डोंट थिंक मैं अम्मी जी जैसा एंग्री यंग मैन हूँगा. मेरा एंगर ऐसे छोटा मोटा सा है, वांगखड़े तक, इतना बड़ा नहीं जाता मेरा.
If you see in the last few years, you're the only superstar who's done so many ensemble films, and Varun has said that you're the best co-star ever. Do you somewhere veer towards such films because you're secure as an individual in reality as well?
Absolutely. Film की कहानी अच्छी होनी चाहिए यार. I mean, a lot of people ask me, and I'm not in any which way talking about Kajol or Kriti and the co-actors. I think an actor should do a film because of the director and no other reason. कि ये फिल्म जो है इस डायरेक्टर को बनानी है और ये चाहते हैं कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ, इसमें भाग लूँ. अदरवाइज देयर इज नो पॉइंट डूइंग इट, यू नो, बिकॉज आप उस हीरोइन के साथ काम नहीं कर रहे, इसके साथ काम नहीं कर रहे. आई हैव नेवर वर्कड विद अ हीरोइन. वी देन मेक अ फिल्म विद द डायरेक्टर इज द कैप्टन ऑफ द शिप. सो अगर उसके साथ कॉन्फिडेंस है एंड उसके साथ बिलीफ है, वट एवर स्टोरी, यू नो, एंड रोहित हैज 3 stories फॉर मी एंड ही सेड ये कर लेते हैं सर पहले आफ्टर चेन्नई, एंड इट्स हिज बिलीफ. मैं कुछ भी कर लूँ, अगर मैं रोहित के बिलीफ के विपरीत करूँगा तो फिल्म अच्छी नहीं बनेगी. सो आई हैव ऑलवेज बिलीव जिस डायरेक्टर को जो फिल्म बनानी है और अगर मुझे वो उस फिल्म के लिए चूज़ करते हैं, देन मेरा वो इट्स माई ड्यूटी to just follow it through. It doesn't make a difference. अभी फैन आ रही है, फैन में कोई और है ही नहीं, मैं ही हूँ बस. You know, some other film will come. So it depends. If you are happy doing a film with the director, whatever the cast, however you want. And having said that, I don't think after working for 25 years, I really need to worry with the cast and crew which loves me so much. In 99 or 100% of the films that I've worked in 25 years, they call me Shah Bhai and give me so much love that I have to worry ki X is better, Y is better. I wish, and honestly, in my 25 years, as I stand here, I would like to say this without sounding immodest or any other way. I really wish everybody is better than me in the film and take me along and make me look good. So I really hope even this film does the same. To all the electronic media, we're looking in the center and saying this. इस दिवाली के अवसर पर, sorry, फिर से. इस दिवाली के अवसर पर to everybody this Diwali from the team of Dilwale, here's wishing you a very very happy Dilwale Diwali. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you everyone.